Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts and airbag issues. This protects electronics. Next, remove the 10 mm bolts along the top edge of the bumper and the 8 mm fasteners in the wheel well. This frees the headlight area. With the wheel turned away, fold back the wheel liner about 1/2 to reveal the lower bolts and clips. Take your time here because correct access prevents panel damage later. Proper access makes the rest of the job faster and cleaner. Once you can reach the headlight, unbolt the 3 main mounts, top, side, and rear, keeping bolts organized for reinstallation. Then unplug the main harness and the individual connectors for low beam, high beam, and indicator. Press tabs and wiggle gently to avoid breaking clips. Support the headlight with one hand as it comes free because it can snag paint or bumper edges. If the unit sticks, check for hidden clips or a retaining pin. Forcing it risks bending the new headlight fitment. Place the new headlight into the mount, aligning tabs and bolt holes, then thread the bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once seated, tighten to the manufacturer's torque spec. This ensures proper alignment and prevents leaks. Reconnect every connector and test low/high beams, indicators, and headlamp leveling. Make adjustments if aim is off. Finally, reinstall the wheel liner and bumper fasteners, reconnect the battery negative, and verify operation. If lights flicker, recheck ground and connector pins for corrosion or bent terminals. Clean and reseat as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.